Hello students, welcome to the new series of Python programming language. In this video, I'm giving you an introduction about Python programming language. This Python was created by Ruda van Ronson, who is a researcher in National Research Institution for Maths and Computer Science in the Netherlands. This language was released in 1991, and why this Python? The name Python. It's nothing related to computer science because he likes the comedy BBC comedy series Monty Python's Flying Circus. That is why he opted the name Python for this new programming language. This Python can be used as both procedural and also object-oriented programming language. Procedure, procedural approach, procedural programming, that is the traditional way of programming, and after that object-oriented programming approach developed. C++, Java, they follow, these programming languages follows the object-oriented approach. Using Python, we can do both the procedural and also the object-oriented approach. But as per the CBSE syllabus, this object-oriented concept is not covered in this year's syllabus. And moreover, it is free to use. Without the payment, you can use the software freely. So most of the people use that. Moreover, any type of object-oriented or procedural type of programming can be done using Python. Now, what are the main features? First thing, it's a general purpose programming language. It's general purpose programming language, and it can be used for developing scientific and non-scientific application. We can develop scientific or non-scientific application. And second thing is, it is platform independent. Platform independent means it will work on any type of machine, whether it never depends on the processor or the operating system on which it is running. In any case, it will work with the Windows soft OS and also with the Mac OS or Unix or Linux. That is platform independent. Then it is very simple high level language. When you if you already know C++, Java programming languages, definitely you will find it very easy. It's very simple, and it has a vast library. You can add any number of modules. There is a lot of modules available. You can just download it and you can use that. Then next point, it is an excellent for beginners as the language it is interpreted. It is we for compilation we for converting that to the object code we use interpreter. So it will be easier for the beginners. Interpreted means there is for converting the source code written by us to the object code. There is two type of converters available. One is interpreter and another is compiler. C++ use compiler. That means the entire code, entire program, source code is converted to the object code. And if any error is there, it reports the other error, and after removing all the errors only you can execute that program. But here in the case of interpreter, it scans line by line. If it scans the first line, and if everything is okay, it executes that line, then only it goes to the next line. That's the way interpreter works. So Python uses interpreter. Now, next point, program written in Python are easily readable and understandable. So even a person with a little knowledge of programming can understand the Python very well. It is suitable as an extension language for customized application. If you have an application, you can use extensions. You can develop your own extensions to that. And it is easy to learn and use. That you will experience when you study this. Now, to know the importance of Python, how much it is worthy, you Just go through the company that are using Python. The Google search engine, YouTube, etc. use this Python. Then BitTorrent, even the hardware companies, Intel, Cisco, IBM, they use this Python for hardware testing. Then for application application program interface development, it used. Then for artificial intelligence, it is used for making robots and all. And even the NASA use the Python for their scientific programming task. So you know how much it is valuable if you study this Python. Then let's see the first step, what we need to do to program in Python. First thing what we need to do is install the interpreter, Python interpreter onto your computer. If you are, even by using mobiles, you can run the Python programs, because you have Google Colab like software applications. Using that, even online, you can do the programs. So if you have the system, you can download the Python from www.python.org. Anyway, we need a ideally integrated development environment for writing the programs and to run the instructions. So in first download an ideally. Using ideally, we can edit, run, browse and debug the Python programs using the single interface. Then this environment makes it easy to write programs. Anyway, we are going to experience that. This is the first thing we need to do. Then Python shell. When we consider the Python shell, it is two types of modes are there: interactive mode and also script mode. Interactive mode means you can interact each instruction you can give, and you will get the result there itself. Script mode means it is used for writing and editing Python program, Python source file. So script mode can be used for writing the programs, and interactive mode can be used to get the immediate result. So first we need to know Python, about the Python prompt. 3 greater than symbol, it's the primary prompt. When we see this 3 greater than symbol in the intermediate mode, definitely you can understand one thing: the interpreter is ready to accept Python commands. That is the meaning of it. So when the prompt is ready, you can give commands to the IDE. Then one more thing we need to, before giving commands, we need to understand one thing: Python is case sensitive. That means capital letter and small letter all are different. Remind this point always in your mind, otherwise it will generate error messages. This is the interactive mode. You can just give the command like this, uh, to print something to the screen. You can give print function, you can use print function, and whatever you want to give, you can give like this. Okay, the answer of this will be how are you. Then print 5 plus 7, then it will show you the answer 5 plus 7, that is 12. Without giving the print function, you can give like this also in the interactive mode. If you want to give some equations like the not an expression like this, you can simply give that. Okay, you can write any type of expression within the print command also. So this is the interactive mode. To quit the interactive mode, you can use the command quit, or you can press Control D. Then if you want to restart it, you can press F6. If you want to see the copyright images or help, you can use the help command. Okay, that's all the interactive mode. Thank you.